everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then this is Rimi. Today I'm doing a video on this makeup look right here that I'm wearing. I have been contemplating for the longest time if I wanted to get the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. It's been the longest time. Like, I have gone to Ulta multiple times and picked up the palette and I just never purchased it. I just put it back and walked out the door. So recently my sister did a little shopping on Morphe website and she picked up the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I wanted to give this palette a try, and I also wanted to film this video for you guys. The inside looks like this, beautiful colors. And also I tried a few more items. These are all from my sister's shopping trip from Sephora, Morphe, and all the recent shopping trips she did. She also picked up this Fenty Beauty lip gloss that I'm wearing on my lips today, and this is in the color Fenty Glow. So far it feels really comfortable on my lips. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It just feels like a lip balm or like an oily lip balm. I also did a little bit shopping with my sister, so I picked up some lip liners from Morphe, and this is Backseat Love that I'm wearing underneath the lip gloss on my lips today. So that's also something new I tried. On my eyes today, I'm wearing a pair of new eyelashes that I recently got. These are the, I think Ardell mink eyelashes, faux mink eyelashes. I'll put all the product details in the description box below, so if you have questions about any of the things that I'm wearing on my face, you can find that in the description box. And also I'm wearing new eyeliner on my eyes today, and the one that I'm wearing is the D Tattoo Eyeliner. This packaging is limited edition. I had no idea, but my sister told me that this is their 10th anniversary limited edition packaging. That's what the inside look like. It's like a gold packaging with black stars on it. It's really beautiful. So this is a limited edition packaging, but the eyeliner is pretty much the same as their regular tattoo eyeliner. So yeah, that's about it for the intro, and I think that's all I wanted to cover for my intro. Let's get started with the video. So here's the Jaclyn Hill palette, and the palette looks like this inside. I already prepped and primed my eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this peachy nude color with a fluffy crease brush, and I'm just applying it all over the crease. I'm just blowing up the color. This is going to be a great transition color. Now I'm taking this bright orange color from the palette, and using the same brush, I'm applying this color on the crease as well. I'm just applying it kind of in the windshield wiper motion, back and forth, and just building up the color slowly. Then I'm going to this deeper orange color for the crease, and I'm placing this color a little bit lower than where I placed the other two colors. This is more of the true deep crease color. I'm just applying this color a little bit at a time. Since this is a very pigmented and deeper tone color, I didn't want it too much fallout, so I'm just applying it a little bit at a time and building up the color slowly. You will see me going back and forth between brushes just to make sure my blending is on point. Now I'm going in with this brick red color with a smaller crease brush to deepen my outer corner. I wanted this look to be pretty smoky, so I'm taking this deep brown color from the palette and then deepening the outer corner a little bit more, kind of smoking out the outer corner. For my inner corner, I'm using a concealer and a flat eyeshadow brush to carve out the inner corner. This way, the pigmentation of the color that I will place on the lid will look much more vibrant and cleaner. Now I'm going in with this beautiful blue color from the palette, using the same brush I used to apply the concealer. I felt like this way the color is being picked a little bit better on the brush because it had a stickiness to it. I'm using a mixture of patting and sweeping motion to apply the color to build up the pigmentation and the intensity as well. I decided to go in with my finger, and I'm just sweeping the color with my finger on my lid, and I noticed that this way the pigmentation was much more vibrant. Then I'm going back to the crease brush to kind of blend out the edges so that it has a better and smoother transition between the blue and the rest of the color on the eye. Now I'm taking my NYX glitter primer to apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. Then I'm taking my Urban Decay Moondust palette, and I'm picking up this blue glitter color Vega, I think, and then applying it on the inner corner right where I placed the glitter glue. Now for my brow bone highlight, I'm taking this beautiful pearl color from the palette, and I'm slowly building up this color. I did apply this color wet as well eventually, and that gave a beautiful glow. Now to contour my face, I'm using my same old Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I'm just contouring my cheek as usual. I'm also using the same kit to contour the rest of the face and also carve out my nose as well. For my blush, I'm taking this NYX blush palette and I'm picking up this Morphe pink color from the palette and applying it on the apples of my cheek. For my lower lash line, I'm picking up this burnt orange color on a pencil brush and applying it all over the lower lash line. I'm kind of blending out this color and smoking out the lower lash line with this color. Then with the same brush, I'm picking up this beautiful purple color from the palette. I feel like this purple and the blue goes so well together. And then for my inner corner highlight, I used the same pearly color that I used for my brow bone highlight. For my eyeliner, I'm using this Kat Von D liquid tattoo eyeliner, and I'm just doing my usual winged eyeliner look for this. For my mascara today, I'm applying this Lash Out Butterfly Mascara, and I'm just applying it on my top and bottom lashes. Now on to highlighting my face. Lately, I have been really enjoying layering my highlight with a liquid and a powder highlighter. So I'm applying this Wet n Wild Hello Halo highlighter. You have seen me done this step like multiple times in my previous videos, and I'm just using my finger to blend out the highlighter. I forgot to set my under eye concealer or my under eye in general, so I'm just using a setting powder to set my under eye and the problem areas that I have on my face. Lately, I have been enjoying highlighting my face with eyeshadow, so I'm just picking up the same pearly color that I used to highlight my brow bone and inner corners of my eye to highlight my face as well. And this highlighter looks blinding. This is gorgeous and beautiful. So I went a little bit heavy-handed on the cheek, and then I'm just using the same highlighter to highlight my high points of my face, my tip of my nose, and the lips and the forehead as well. For my lips, I'm using this Morphe lip liner that I recently got. This is in the color, I'll put the color in the description box below, and I'm just filling in my lips with this lip liner. And then I will be going on top of this with this Fenty lip gloss that also my sister bought. I just took it from her, and I'm just applying it all over my lips. This lip gloss is so comfortable on your lips and it's not sticky at all, and I loved it. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am absolutely in love with this blue eye look. This specific blue is such a beautiful blue. It has this purpley indigo-ish tint to it, and I really enjoyed that. I loved all the colors that I used from this palette. The highlighter that I'm using on my brow bone, I'm also using the highlighter on my face and the inner corner of my eyes as well. I applied it a little bit wet on my brow bone and in the inner corner. That highlighter is blinding. Like you can see, this is beautiful glow, and I'm in love with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and let me know in the comments below if you already own the Jaclyn Hill's palette. What are your thoughts? Should I buy it or not? After using this palette, I'm feeling a little bit more inclined toward purchasing this palette. I hope that I'm not too late and it's not out of stock already. Special thanks to my sister for lending me all of these new makeups that she got. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And please leave a comments below letting me know what are your thoughts. I always love to receive comments from you guys as well. And I also will put all my social media links down below in the description box. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. So yeah, that's about it for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!